parts of the globe, and you had an art spirit, and again, Marsha mentioned that you better include someone from the election commission. So before.
Well, listen, I have been on TV for 25 years with RT International since its launch in 2005. I have been working as a BJ in the newsroom, at the news desk, became a reporter, a war correspondent, and now I'm RT Middle East Bureau Chief. The Bible says there is a proper time for everything. There is time to scatter stones, and there is time to gather stones. There is time to learn, and there is time to teach. And I think RT and me personally, we've reached the point when we have a lot to share, a lot to say. And RT School is a great opportunity to share our vision, our experience, tremendous experience, and our knowledge. And they say also that big journeys start with small steps, and I think it is important and very symbolic that the first RT school abroad happened here in Jakarta, in Indonesia, because this small step, this RT school is a small step. No, I would say that RT school is a great small step towards a big journey towards connecting our two countries and getting back to golden times between Russia and Indonesia. So I was invited here to talk about how to become a good journalist, a good reporter. And my session was called Camera is my eyes, microphone is my weapon. So I was talking about my vision of who is a good reporter. And I believe that journalists are fighters, and all of us are fighting for different things, but we have one thing in common. We are fighting for a story to be told. And this is what my session was about. Guys, if you want to become a good reporter, reporting from the field, a good journalist, fight for your story, no matter what. Be polite, be soft, be nice, be kind, but also be strong, be persistent, and you will be rewarded at the end. Unfortunately, I do not have a lot of experience, a lot of interaction with local journalists. That is my first opportunity to meet them here during RT school. And what I noticed, I mean, guys, you are amazing. Very warm welcome we see here. And what is the most important part for me is that I felt hunger for knowledge, for the experience that we came here to share, for the vision, for horizons, and I appreciate it very well. And I want to say, all Indonesian journalists, keep it up, the good job that you're doing, and never give up to become someone good, be it a journalist or producer or whatever you want to become. Do your best or don't do it at all. As I said, I think Russia and Indonesia have to go back to golden times of our bilateral relations between Russia and Indonesia. But somehow after the collapse of the Soviet Union, we kind of like didn't have time enough, I mean, to take care of this region or any other region because Russia was busy with internal troubles. And I think now Russia is very strong, and now we do have finally time to go back to all our traditional friends, especially in Asia, and Indonesia is one of the most important partners of Russia here. So I guess, yes, we're establishing our office here, and that's the idea, to know each other better, to share experience, and to discover each other, like to rediscover actually, Russia and Indonesia. I think, yeah, we want to be heard in this region, and RT will do it. That's going to be our goal.